grab on. Hold on, I actually do. No, hold up. Hold up. Wait, grab onto me. Grab onto me. Like this part. Where any part. I have hold of your foot.
My body is so messed up. Wait, what? There's twins? No. You can't do it. You good?
Okay, bro. I'm gonna do some push-ups. Are you ready for me to do some insane push-ups? Hold up. Very hard to do. Wowza! Hello.
Bro, why is everybody over here?
Yeah, I know. Everybody just is.
Grab onto me.
Yo.
Everybody grab onto me.
We cured guy, gang? We all cured guy? Yo, wait, can I slingshot off of you guys? If I wasn't bound by some
Everyone
force?
point at each other.
No.
I can slingshot off of you guys.
Why am I made of meat? Why am I made of meat?
Oh wait, we gotta probably position ourselves better. Alright, somebody go right there. Right there.
I'll go right here. Oh.
I'm
Can I slingshot off of you? Oh, we're so... This guy's a nerd. Yo, Mr. Tally, you. Yeah, no, I can do this, buddy.
I am humongous.
And bye-bye.
Incredible happens.
The second house. Yo. Wait a minute.
Get up on the floor, get up on the floor, dancing.
What? Guys, why is this giant building with it? Why are we surrounded by our own?
Dancing
Surrounded
in the
vast emptiness
night.
of our city. Look at the building I'm on right now. That's the building. This ain't even rotated correctly. It's looking
Down the floor, get up on the floor, dancing to the break of dawn. Get up on the floor, dancing to the break of dawn. Get up on the
Why
floor,
is there no little?
dancing. Dancing is what I do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what heals my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Singing's what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what heals my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Science!
Why is it
So
recording?
very loud.
What's up, everybody? I'm gonna show you my AAA game studio. Welcome on.
Get up on the floor, listen to the down,
Sure,
get
that's
up on the
I'm on
floor, the thing that makes me whole. You dancing will heals my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Get up on the floor and dance into the break of dawn. Get up on the floor and dance on the break of dawn. Get up on the floor, dancing down the floor. Get up on the floor, dancing to the break of dawn. Get up on the floor.
Typographical
Get
glitch.
up on the floor,
Yo, what?
dancing.
That's crazy.
Dancing is what you do. Dancing is what you do. Dancing is what makes me whole.
Oh, guys, what the?
What you do? Marvin has an
Hey,
Oculus.
you. Hey, you.
Yeah.
Can you grab onto me?
You.
You, in the
What
red.
is
Can you
this?
grab onto
Huh?
me? Can you grab onto me?
Hey,
Me
how
in
do
the
you
red?
get
Wait
hats?
a minute.
How?
Grab one, grab one.
Did I just do
Yes,
what I think
go
I
on.
just did?
Okay, ready?
Created a bond.
Mine is 600. Jonathan is like.
Yeah. Now I'm trying to bond between multiple buildings. As they disappear.
That version.
Okay, you're still on. Wait,
Tonight,
what is it? What is
you ugly.
You're floating.
This game's.
I am
Dude.
more powerful than you will ever be. I have these ones, you know, so just say goodbye to your life, Spider-Man. You're
I'm actually Spider-Man. He's fake. Oculus
I
Spider-Man.
have a better Oculus.
well, tell her to be quiet.
Yo, Subaru Spider-Man.
No, mine is better
Well,
Oculus,
it's not
and
Spider-Man.
mine
Oh, he's not invincible.
Where are
We
you
are
guys?
the
I wanna
game.
come
has, no, actually mine's actually way better.
Like Scooby.
Guys, please stop
Hey, you.
moving. I'm
You,
I'm
huh?
afraid of being alone.
Yo, everybody with the
I
don't
love
kids,
this
yeah.
game, but a lot of
Meet
people
me
don't
at-
Don't leave me, please. Let me grapple onto you.
Back.
Let me grapple onto you.
Can you grab onto me?
Everyone
Why are you in
with
the air?
kids,
Why are you
yeah.
floating?
Meet me at the
Wait,
bridge.
What do you want me to play?
Okay.
I see you. Are.
I'm good.
Anyways,
I'm literally about to let go right now.
what?
That's what I mean. The city looks so small. The city looks. Wait, no. Okay. The city
are
looks
breaking
so
physics.
small.
Wait, how do I like?
Goodbye.
I'm unmuted.
No, stop before you make us die.
Wait,
Yo,
how do
gonna
good
I-
guy, good guy. We're gonna see who's the
Oh, okay,
fastest
are you-
man.
Please take us down.
Using super speed.
Where is it?
Wait a minute.
Are you good?
Yo, are you
Yo.
Gojo?
You grappling onto like everything.
Cause why are you Gojo? Or actually, wait, I could do this.
Bro could be good.
Oh, yo, guys, we're floating right now. Why do you have the Luffy straw on that, bro? What do you have the
Cure
Gojo shirt?
guy. Cure man, where you at?
Wait, who's Gojo?
Doing?
Ouch.
Alright, that's You don't
Not
know
right
who
behind.
Gojo is?
Nope. Oh, I forgot.
Don't leave me. I'm gonna grapple onto your leg. Watch this.
Guys, where's the floor at?
Hey,
Wait, hold up. Just
Hey.
do this.
Herb
Do
has
this.
got-
Why do you have the
I'm
Gojo
not getting my
shirt?